Firstly, you have to look good for no say at them. You move the dirt at the side of the road and see the munching. You understand? And you will find one or two, but they move on under the dirt. So they go on.
Yeah, man, them loud around here, so.
They're enough.
Yeah. Me not sleep good lately.
Then you have to cut them on for the day. Hold for 4 minutes, they name them out.
Who named them out? What you say? Come. You did have hog too?
Yeah.
Goat?
No,
So she never grew up with no animal?
No, goat.
So Kitana, you don't know no country life, Kitana.
We wake up earlier morning time, 6 o'clock, but I boat. Kiara pass, classmate them up pass. Yes, Kitana, tie out the goat.
You embarrassed when you see them?
No. Me? I couldn't care this. I love farming, so. And when they like try to trouble me about it, they say, you don't know what I'm saying.
Hey, you talk to him boyfriend, say if anything...
Me? Me don't know my boyfriend, Kitana.
You don't know him boyfriend?
No, sir.
How come your man don't know your boyfriend?
Because
what? Explain that to me.
No, me not introduce nobody to my mother until me deem them worthy. Understand?
You never kiss her yet? Your father role, so I have to play your father role. You never kiss her yet? You see? You can't answer them questions there. If a man kiss you, you're supposed to know your mother right now. If I kiss you, I touch you, mama must know. Because the dad not around, you take things for granted. If me or your father, and you say your boyfriend and mama don't know about boyfriend. Because mama have to put on the time my face as a boy. If you get me as a pregnant, you better marry him.
There's a one time in I back when they have got the flip flag on the hoodie. Remember they did it?
Kitana, we need to have a talk with a boy.
Father role, what you mean? Talk to mine, yes.
Well, if we talk to him because one young, and if him think say, anything go happen, and him go run. This is for life. And if anything happen to you, we are going to hunt him down. I have chain on him, and he not going nowhere.